A factory reset returns your Altec Lansing Bluetooth speaker to its original state, resolving issues like pairing failures, audio glitches, or software bugs. Think of it as a fresh start, erasing all paired devices and custom settings to fix underlying problems. This is crucial for troubleshooting persistent problems. A reset clears corrupted Bluetooth caches, resets equalizer settings, and recalibrates hardware. Most models use button combinations, holding specific buttons like power and volume up or down for 5 to 10 seconds until lights flash or a sound confirms reset. For most models, hold specific buttons like power and volume up together for 5 to 10 seconds. Always disconnect from power during the reset to avoid any issues. Some newer models offer software resets through the Altec Lansing Connect app. For older Altec Lansing speakers before 2024, the main reset method uses button combinations. Consult your manual for specifics. Common combinations involve holding the power button and either volume up or down buttons at the same time. Press and hold for about 8 to 10 seconds until you see a light flash or hear an audible cue indicating the reset is complete. For example, on BoomJ speakers, hold the power and Bluetooth buttons together. Newer Altec Lansing speakers integrate with the Altec Lansing Connect app for easy resets. Open the app and find your speaker. Locate your speaker within the app interface. Look for the Reset or Factory Reset option in Settings. The app guides you through the process and shows error logs. Ensure your app is updated to version 4.2 or later for the best experience. If you're having trouble with the reset process, here are some troubleshooting tips to ensure success. If the button combination doesn't work, double-check your speaker model's manual for the correct procedure. Different models may have slightly different button sequences. Ensure the speaker is disconnected from power during the reset to prevent electrical risks and ensure the reset completes properly. If using the Altec Lansing Connect app for the reset, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device and the speaker is properly connected via Bluetooth. For persistent issues that aren't resolved by the reset, contact Altec Lansing customer support. They can provide model-specific guidance or additional troubleshooting steps. If problems continue even after performing a successful reset, it may indicate a hardware malfunction. In such cases, contact Altec Lansing customer support for repair or replacement options. Some 2025 and newer models feature Smart Reset using Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) to detect and resolve issues automatically before a full factory reset. This can often fix problems without manual intervention. Ensure your speaker's firmware is up to date to utilize this feature. Looking ahead, future Altec Lansing speakers will feature more automated and AI-assisted troubleshooting. These intelligent systems will detect issues and perform resets without user intervention. Voice command resets will integrate with smart home platforms like Google Home and Amazon Alexa, allowing hands-free troubleshooting. The ultimate goal is to make troubleshooting seamless, minimizing the need for manual resets and enhancing user experience. Always refer to your Altec Lansing speakers manual or the Altec Lansing Connect app for model-specific reset instructions. Incorrect reset attempts can potentially cause issues. Keep your speaker's firmware updated to benefit from the latest features and bug fixes.